to having a foreign subject refuse to appear before this honorable court. Mr. Porcelli and the 21st and 22nd accused persons, the Italian companies, failed, refused, and or neglected to present themselves before this court on Tuesday last week. Prior to that, they failed, refused, and neglected to present themselves before the DCI the day before. Learned counsel for Mr. Porcelli actually submitted to this court on Tuesday that he had authority to pick up the summons and serve Mr. Porcelli to appear today. But he has changed the tune now. And that is unacceptable, Your Honor. It should also be unacceptable to this honorable court. Because what is at stake is not simply the inability or the alleged inability of an accused person to appear before this court, but in essence the refusal of the accused person, Paolo Porcelli, to submit himself before the authority of this court. Your Honor, the DPP has specifically instructed us to do everything possible to ensure that this case proceeds without any delay. But when it comes to the 11th hour application such as this, we shall not concede. Our position, Your Honor, and what we urge you to find, is that Mr. Porcelli is a fugitive from justice. He failed to present himself to the DCI. He failed to present himself before this honorable court on Tuesday last week. And despite being given the opportunity to do so, has again repeated that failure and not presented himself either to the DCI or to this court today. You should, without hesitation, issue warrants for his arrest and production before this court. No African or Kenyan can behave this way before an Italian court and get away with such behavior. But they believe that they can come to our country, rip off our people, conduct themselves against the law, and refuse to appear before this court. And do you know why, Your Honor? They believe nothing will come out of it. They believe this in the deepest recesses of their hearts, that nothing will happen. They can break the law and they can get away with it contemptuously. Don't allow them to do that, Your Honor. Finally, Your Honor, if the applicant is interested in the hearing of this application, today is not the day that was set aside for this application. We should be given adequate time to prepare our response to this application. A date should be given for the hearing of this application if they insist, and the Honorable Court will make its ruling based on the submissions made by the parties. But today was a day for plea-taking. And for those who have absented to themselves from this court a second time, we strongly urge the court to issue the warrants for their arrest and production without any hesitation whatsoever. Thank you.